Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn music profiles on or off in content restrictions on iPhone 12 series. First, swipe up to go back to your home screen. Then tap on the settings button on the home screen. Then in here, go down and tap on screen time. In screen time, you want to go down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. And then tap on content restrictions. In here, you need to put in the screen time passcode. And then tap on music profiles. And in here, you can choose off or on. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your previous screen. Or you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.